बच्चों, टुडे I am going to take another colligative property, that is elevation in boiling point. What is colligative property? Such property which depend on number of particle. If the number of particle of solute increases, that colligative property also increases. Okay? For example, there are 4 colligative property. First one is relative lowering of vapor pressure. Second one is elevation in boiling point. Today I am going to take this elevation in boiling point, then depression in freezing point, and then osmotic pressure. These are the main colligative property. In the chapter solution, we will discuss about that. So today I am going to take this elevation in boiling point. What this word says actually, elevation in boiling point means there is some increase in the boiling point. How it increase? If the solute dissolve in a solvent, then there is increase in the boiling point. So that is called elevation in boiling point. Okay, I plot a graph here. What this graph actually shows, if you see along the y-axis we plot vapor pressure and along the x-axis we plot temperature. It means it's a simple graph between vapor pressure versus temperature. If we talk about the solvent, the vapor pressure of solvent gradually increases. The vapor pressure of solvent gradually increases as the temperature increases. Till this point. At this point, the vapor pressure of the solvent equal to the atmospheric pressure, that is 1 bar or 1.013 bar or 1 atmosphere, you can say. This is the atmospheric pressure. If the solvent pressure become equal to the atmospheric pressure, then the solvent start boiling, and this temperature is the boiling point, as I represented this boiling point by TB. T instance for the temperature, T gives information about temperature, B is the boiling. This is boiling temperature. This indicate TB is boiling temperature or boiling point. Here I put naught, means boiling point of solvent या pure substance. The blue line shows variation of vapor pressure with the temperature for the solution. If you see this point, this point of vapor pressure, means this point I am talking about. At this temperature, the vapor pressure of the solution is this one, which is lower than the vapor pressure of the solvent. सॉल्वेंट के वेपर प्रेशर से सेम टेम्परेचर पे सॉल्यूशन का वेपर प्रेशर लोअर डाउन होता है. अगर मैं इसको समझाने की कोशिश करूं, अगर सपोज यू हैव वन बीकर हैविंग प्योर सॉल्वेंट, केवल आपने वाटर लिया है सपोज करिए, तो सरफेस पे सिर्फ वाटर के मॉलिक्यूल होंगे और सरफेस पे जो अट्रैक्शन फोर्स लगता है वो डाउनवर्ड लगता है. डाउनवर्ड फोर्स, नेट फोर्स जो है डाउनवर्ड लगता है. अगर इंटीरियर में कोई मॉलिक्यूल है तो चारों तरफ ये फोर्स फील करेगा इक्वल इन ऑल डायरेक्शन. सो नेट फोर्स इन द इंटीरियर इज 0. द नेट फोर्स in the interior in the solvent is 0, but at the top of the substance or liquid, that there is a net downward force. Okay, there is a pure solvent, means that have the greater surface area. If you add some amount of solute into it, then some amount of solute also occupy the surface area. some amount of solute means if you are making a solvent into solution, if you preparing a converting solvent into solution, the surface area of the solvent occupied by the solute, hence the surface area decreased. Because of the decreased surface area, less amount of vapor formed. As you studied in 9th class, greater the surface area, greater the evaporation. Lesser the surface area, lesser will be the evaporation. At a particular temperature, because of this decreased surface area of the solvent in solution, there is a less vapor form, hence the vapor pressure of solution is less than the solvent. Okay, because some surface area occupied by the solute which is non-volatile. So this solution, the vapor pressure of solution varies like this curve. This curve showing as the temperature increases, the vapor pressure also increases. At this point, the solution start boiling. This temperature is higher than the boiling temperature of the solvent, and this difference is called that is means the boiling temperature of solution and boiling temperature of solvent. This difference is called delta TB, or elevation in boiling point. Means how much the boiling point elevated when we convert a solvent into solution. This much, that is boiling temperature of the solution minus boiling temperature of the pure solvent. This is represented by delta TB, and it's a colligative property. How it is colligative property? In your daily life, if you measure the boiling point of water, that with the thermometer, it will come 100 degrees Celsius, or in a Kelvin you can say 373.15 Kelvin. But if you add some amount of sugar or salt in the same boiling water, the boiling stop. What I want to say, if you add some amount of salt in a boiling water, then the boiling stop for some time. Why the boiling stops? Because the boiling point elevated. There is an increase in the boiling point. So this is the elevation in boiling point. As I told, it is a colligative property. How we verify this? It is a colligative property. We can take equal amount of two solvent, same solvent. Suppose water you are taking in a 2 container, similar volume container. In the 1 container, if you add 1, 2, 3 spoon of any salt, common salt, if you are adding, if you boil both the container, the liquid of the both the container, and if you measure the boiling point of the both container, boiling point of the liquid of the both container, it will the solution must have higher boiling temperature than the pure solvent, that is water. कहने का मतलब है, अगर 2 कंटेनर आपने लिया है, जिसमें पहले कंटेनर जिसमें केवल वाटर लिया है या कोई सॉल्वेंट लिया है, दूसरा कंटेनर जिसमें वाटर लिया है उसमें थोड़ा साल्ट डिसॉल्व कर दिया है, आप मीज़र करेंगे जब बॉयल हो रहे होंगे दोनों, तो बॉइलिंग पॉइंट जिसमें साल्ट डिसॉल्व किया है उसका बॉइलिंग पॉइंट ज़्यादा आएगा, जिसमें साल्ट नहीं डिसॉल्व किया है उसका बॉइलिंग पॉइंट 100 डिग्री या 273.15 केल्विन आएगा। तो वो जो इंक्रीज है बॉइलिंग पॉइंट का, उसे कहते हैं हम एलिवेशन इन बॉइलिंग पॉइंट। हम कैसे निकालेंगे एलिवेशन इन बॉइलिंग पॉइंट? बॉइलिंग पॉइंट ऑफ सोल्यूशन दैट इज हायर माइनस बॉइलिंग पॉइंट ऑफ द सॉल्वेंट ऑफ द सोल्यूशन, दैट इज TB naught. Okay, as I'm saying that experimentally we verified there is an increase in the boiling point if you are adding solute, means the increase in boiling point or elevation in boiling point is a colligative property, hence depend on the number of particle. For the number of particle, we are using here the molality. Molality, mole fraction means any concentration unit represent the number of particle. Delta TB is proportional to the molality. What is this small m? Molality. Molality is of the solution, means how much solute dissolve in a solution, that represented by molality of the solution. If you remove this proportionality, you will get a constant that is represented by Kb, small k, into molality. If you know that this molality is equal to number of moles by weight of solvent in kg, or number of moles, you can write number of moles is weight of solute in gram by gmm, gram molar mass or gram atomic mass, into weight of solvent in kg. Suppose solvent weight is given in the gram, then the molality equation become weight in gram of solute by gmm into weight of solvent in gram divided by 1000. This one multiplied by 1000, this goes above, and this is the equation for the molality. Then the equation become like this: delta TB is equal to 1000 into Kb into W gram by gmm into weight of solvent. Actually, the weight of solute I represented by Wb, and weight of solvent I want to represent by Wa. This Wb means weight of solute, this Wa means weight of solvent. Then the elevation in boiling point equation become like this, and this equation is very important for the board examination point of view. Many questions asked that is based on this elevation in boiling point. Let's discuss each and every term and their unit. This is elevation in boiling point. Elevation in boiling point. In SI system, we take the unit in Kelvin. This is molar elevation constant. The unit of molar elevation constant, Kelvin kg per mole. Sometimes it is written like Kelvin by molal. Molal, the unit of molal, is mole per kg. So the unit become Kelvin kg per moles. This is the weight of solute in gram, and this Wa is weight of solvent in gram. GMM means gram molecular mass. Okay, so with the help of this equation, we can easily say the delta TB, that is the elevation in boiling point, depend on the molality, means it's a colligative property. Sometimes it may ask in your examination, what is Kb? What is Kb? So Kb is delta TB by m. M means molality. If the molality you take unity, then Kb is equal to delta Tb, means elevation in boiling point, molar elevation constant is elevation in boiling point of 1 molar solution. Okay, we can define Kb like this. This elevation in boiling point, it is also called ebullioscopic constant. Elevation in boiling point is also called ebullioscopic constant. This is equal to delta Tb, means elevation in boiling point when molality is 1.